You ready, buddy? So Gus Morris, you're gonna be a big brother. What do you guys say about that? What do you have to say about that? You got any words? You got any words? Huh? Here he comes.
Oh, buddy.
Come here, Gus. Let's go in the nursery. Come here, Gus. Let's go in the nursery. Yeah. You want to just set the car seat up in the crib?
Sure. Well, no, I want Gus to see him.
I just didn't want to wake him up. It's more selfish than anything. Say, sit down, Gus. You sit down?
Buddy, sit down. Sit down. Drop it. Hey, wait. Who's that, buddy? Easy. Who is
Good
that, buddy?
boy, be easy.
Hey. Who is that, buddy?
Good boy, Gus, be easy.
Easy, buddy.
Oh, we got a wagging tail.
Who's that? That's a good boy. Who is that, buddy? I suppose, buddy.
Well, I think we have a winner. We have a very waggity tail.
Who is that, buddy?
Gus and Charlie get to meet. What do you think, Dad? We have a winner?
Yeah, I think so.
Welcome home, Charlie Bear.
Okay.
Welcome home.
I know he has feet during here.
Welcome home.
I know. What is that? Who is that, buddy? Who is that?
That's pretty darn cute.
Yeah, that's such a brother. Easy.
Okay, there it is. Gus and Charlie meet for the first time.
Good boy, buddy.